Now the third relation is position velocity relation. Again we go to the same graph that we have done. See here, area we have to find the distance traveled by object from A to B. Then we have to find the area under the line AB. In second equation, we had find the area by taking this trapezium into two parts, that is in a triangle and in a rectangle. Now in this part we will find the area by using the formula of trapezium. See, this is the trapezium formed. Now this is the base B1 and this is the base B2. The parallel sides are always the bases of the trapezium. You must be knowing this. Now the formula to find the area of trapezium is half of B1 plus B2 into h. This is the height. Half of B1 plus B2. How we write it? See here, half of base B1 plus base B2 multiplied by height. Now we will put the values in these bases. Half of base B1 is this BC, and you know that this BC is V, as we have mentioned before. This is V, and this base B2 is U, and this height is OC, that is T. Means we get here half of V plus U into T. See here, we have got half of base B1 plus base B2 into height, that is T. Means it is U plus V by 2 into T. Now you know that V is equal to U plus AT. Then from here we can find the value of T also. AT will be equal to V minus U. Then we divide V minus U by A, we get T. From this relationship we get T is equal to V minus U upon A. Then we will put the value of T from this equation in this equation. Then we get S is equal to U plus V by 2 into V minus U by A. S is equal to U plus V by 2 into V minus U by A. Means we have got S is equal to U plus V into V minus U by 2A. Now it is A plus B into A minus B. Then A plus B into A minus B is the formula for A square minus B square. Means A is here V and B is here U. Means V square minus U square upon 2A. From here we get V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. This is the third equation, that is position velocity equation. Once again you can see this. We have to find the area under the line AB, and we have got a trapezium AOCD. The formula for trapezium is half of B1 plus B2 into H. Here base B1 is OC and base B2 is OA. This BC is V and this OA is U. Then it will become half of V plus U into H. Means V plus U divided by 2 into H. H is here this AD or this OC, it is T. Half of V plus U into T. Then we will put the value of T from the first equation. In this equation we had V is equal to U plus AT. Now we bring U to the left side, then it will become negative. V minus U is equal to AT. we have got v minus u is equal to at. Now bring a on the left side, then we get v minus u upon a is equal to t. T is equal to v minus u upon a. Now put this value of t here, then from here we get s is equal to u plus v by 2 into v minus u by a. In this way we can write it. Now this is the formula for a minus b into a plus b. It is a square minus b square. S is equal to v square minus u square upon 2a. We bring 2a to the left, then we get v square minus u square is equal to 2as. This is called position velocity equation.